Today, we're going to repot this beautiful hanging bellflower, which has grown quite full in its current pot. We'll be switching it to a larger hanging planter, so it'll have more space to grow. This will not only give it room to expand, but next year, the flowers will hang down more beautifully from the pot. When I first got it, it was only about the size of my palm. After repotting it, a little over a month ago, it started blooming. The plant doesn't have any special soil requirements for potting. Just make sure the soil is loose and breathable. Once the soil is ready, we can start filling the new pot. This hanging planter is designed with 2 layers. The inner layer has plenty of ventilation holes at the bottom, and the outer layer is woven to add an aesthetic touch. There's a drainage hole at the bottom as well, so you don't have to worry about overwatering and root rot. Now, carefully take the bellflower out of its old pot and place it into the new one. Fill in the sides with more soil. By the time it's ready to bloom again next year, the plant will have filled up this hanging planter. Once that's done, water it well to help it establish its roots. This planter also comes with a chain, so you can hang it anywhere in your home. It's a perfect way to keep your space tidy and stylish while saving space. It's especially great for balconies. Now, just wait for the stunning spring blooms next year.